Hello, Your Honor.
State your name.
Mr. Greenman.
Can you tell me your name?
Boy Greenman.
Yeah.
Mr. Greenman, okay, you're here in 2020 5902AO. You were arrested for petty theft. Did you find probable cause? Miss Kenny Swanson, did you have an offer?
I did not, Your Honor.
No offer? Is that due to the out-of-state criminal history?
I have one moment, Your Honor.
Sure.
I'm doing excellent, sir. Thank you for asking.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Mr. Greenman, you have prior history out of state, and so the state may enhance this offense to a felony based on your prior. So I can't do anything with your case today. I am going to appoint the public defender for you. You're not.
That's horse. You do whatever the you want.
Excuse me.
My name is Mr. Greenman. I'm the federal witness of the United States federal government. I demand some respect, you whore. Let's get a jam round along y'all did and figure out what you're
All right,
doing.
he can be removed once y'all get him out.
Now.
All right then.
That was an update. All right, great. Then what it'll be is I'll release you with pretrial release conditions. No bond is required, okay? But while you're out there, you're not to have any, possess any guns or weapons or any alcohol or drugs, not to ingest any of those. And you're not to have any contact with Carl Ware, all right? And also not to return to 4300 Colony Way. Now, you can go back there one time with law enforcement to pick up any personal items that you may need, okay? But you got to contact the sheriff or the local police department, and they'll send someone out to go with you. Okay? Don't go by yourself because that's a violation.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna need help. I'm froze up. I can't do anything right now. Can I get some water? I need some water.
When you get downstairs, you can get some.
My pants out with my anxiety.
Oh. This guy's off. He's about to fall out.
Sit down.
Oh, that's it. Yep.
Get yourself. Open that door and show one of them come in.
Excuse me.
Come on, miss. You think you need medical? Come on now. Come on. Grab a wheelchair.
He's out.
You all right?
She said she got anxiety.
Can I get some water?
Well, we got to take out there to get the water. We got none here.
Is she bleeding out?
No.
She sorry?
She need to sign. Hold on to this moment. You gonna go home? It's okay. No, that's over right there. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. Okay? Just try to sign, and then we're gonna take you and get some water. So you get some water.
Sign. On medical situation.
That's good. Thank you. Make it to the suit, get you some water. Okay. You sure? Okay. Okay, well, head on, here go the wheelchair. We're gonna put you in the wheelchair, okay? Step up a little so you can get in the wheelchair. I'm gonna stand up like you do. Hold your feet up. So you can really,
Good work. Way to go, you guys.
And Mr. LeBron, you want the public defender to help you this morning?
There's a severe conflict of interest due to the way the public defender gets paid and the state attorney gets paid. It's never worked out too well for me in the past. I would just ask if I may assert my rights during the proceeding at some point, whenever you're ready. so I can make my legal argument. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Okay, so how much education do you have?
I'm self-taught. I've taken my education to the highest degree possible by reading books over the last 15 years.
Do you have any legal training?
Do I have any legal what?
Training?
I'm a Black's Laws lawyer, which makes me an attorney in fact, and I'm actually the administrator over Daniel LeBron in this matter. I'm not the person. Thank you.
Okay, yes.
I need Daniel LeBron. Is that you or not?
I'm not a person. I'm the administrator. Just like you're the administrator of this court, you're not the court. So that's the capacity I'm operating in.
Yeah.
I just would like to say something since we're at this juncture. I think that jurisdiction is important and according to the law can be brought up at any time. I would like this court to present their jurisdiction by providing the dictionary.
No, sir, you're incorrect on that law,
Please,
sir.
Thank you. Can you please provide
Okay,
that
so there's a
document, Your Honor?
probable cause for the battery charge. You said the victim's online, state, or public defender, or somebody said the victim's here, is that correct?
Stop shutting my mic off, please.
Your Honor,
Why are they shutting my mic off?
Because he's talking.
Your Honor, Your Honor.
That's not allowed to shut my mic off.
The
That's-
agent. The record.
Judge, I have
Yes.
got the victim appearing telephonically, and she would like to speak.
Okay. Are you there, ma'am?
Ms. Perlman?
Yeah, I'm on an important phone call. Yes, I'm here.
Ms. Perlman, you're on the record,
Okay.
and you're the victim of Daniel LeBron. Is there anything you'd like to say to the judge?
Yes, I would like to say that the allegations against Mr. LeBron
Your Honor, I
are fake.
apologize for interrupting.
They are not true, and I
However,
do wish.
give me 1 second.
I do wish to
Miss,
have-
please do not
I'm sorry, I
continue
don't know if
speaking.
someone's talking.
Perlman.
I do.
Your Honor, I apologize for interrupting, but at this time, I'm going to object and state that I'm
I'm not with the public defender's office. The public defender's office doesn't represent me.
To not speak about the facts of the case and
The
only
public
whether
defender's
she is
office
in fear or not of
Doesn't
Mr.
represent
LeBron.
me.
That is all.
Excuse me, I would like you to remove this friend of the court away from my case because she's interfering and she's damaging and injuring me in a way that in an irreprehensible way where I can't go backwards. So can she please be removed from the podium? Because she doesn't represent me. And
Yes, she's not your attorney at this point. I have found probable cause in this case. I'm going to
already issued.
set bond at $1,000. And you're to have no contact with the victim in separate residence.
Well, can I say one thing about the probable cause? This is the last thing that I'll say.
Go ahead.
If we're going to look at the probable cause, we need to look at the evidence code according to the Florida Evidence Code and the Criminal Rules of Procedure. And in the evidence code, it specifically states that hearsay is not admissible as evidence. And all I see in this complaint is hearsay. People saying
Well, sir,
so
that's where your legal training is very, very wrong. That's all we have
I know
in
but
these
it's-
hearings is hearsay.
Yeah, but the thing
Everything's
is,
hearsay. It
not
is
allowed.
admissible.
Your Honor, if I just may finish my thought, I do respect you completely.
Bond set at $1,000, no contact with the victim,
Evidence
separate
code-
residence.
The evidence
Next
code
case.
says that you can't submit a hearsay as
Hauser is next.
No
Nope.
appointments.
What's that?
No appointment, right?
Nope.
Okay, Mr. Lane, do you have any witnesses that you intend to put forward?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, may Officer Flowers be excused?
Whoa, that's a dog.
Yes, unfortunately, that's my dog.
Your Honor, the state will submit on the evidence.
Okay, any argument, Mr. Lane?
No, Your Honor, we'll submit.
Okay.